Here we have Randall McCoy and Moe, pronounce the last name? Hassanudin. And they've developed a project for their capstone class, which is a solar panel
alignment array.
Alignment array. Can we explain how it works?
Yep. We have 3 sensors for the light, their photocells. Basically, we have positioning this way, and these 2 tell it to go up or down depending on how much light there is going in there. Get a number value for that. So when that's dark, it moves that way. When this is dark, it moves this way. Well, these 2 an average match up to this one, and then we have our side to side array, and that moves the servo motors, and it's all built through using numerics and controllers through the VI, which this is the front panel. You have the number values here for A4, which is this one, or the single by itself. A3 and A2 are averaged together to A4. And then we can control the null, which is how fast it responds or what the difference is between the 2 before it'll move. That way you don't waste a lot of power by it trying to position too much or too exact. And then we can also control the motor speeds to soften how fast it changes. And these here tell it which way the motors are turning.
How long did it take you to develop this VI?
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
By learning the LabVIEW VIs and going through and doing some of the tutorials and learning how to interface it with the Arduino.
And to build the controller?
That took longer. It took us like 4 or 5 weeks, 6 weeks to do that, to get everything, because a lot of these gears, this is Vex, it's not real exact, so we had to do a lot of support to get all the gearing to keep from being real sloppy so that it's not searching as much again. So the null value is not as bad.
Can we get one last?
Yeah, I'll actually
demo?
move the light this time. This would be like the sun going from east to west. Or azimuth. Then you have elevation, which is where it sits in the sky. Especially in here in New Mexico, we get a lot of that.
Looks pretty good, guys.
And then here's the block diagram for the VI.
Oh, sorry about that.
That's all right. Oops. Basically, these are all the inputs and motor reads and stuff, and this is all the math and all the logic we use to control the motors.
Okay. Thank you very much. This is the capstone class project and the system simulation project for Randall McCoy and Moe.